Hi everyone, it's Gina Bell from East Coast Mummy, and today I am sharing DIY decor ideas that will cost you $5 or less to make. They don't look cheap, and most of the supplies come from the dollar store. First up, you'll need a couple of sheets of felt. I used one red and one green, and then you're going to cut them into strips that are approximately 3/4 of an inch wide. Then you're going to take a strip and loop it like this. Pinch the center and secure it with a little clear elastic. Then cut the ends at an angle or cut a little V-shape like I did. To finish, use hot glue to attach a slightly thinner piece of felt over the elastic. Try to apply the glue to the felt and not the elastic so that it doesn't melt. You can use these bows to decorate candles, wreaths, or boughs, or you can glue them together to make an adorable felt garland. I made one and I absolutely love it. Seriously, how cute is this? And so inexpensive, as I only used 2 pieces of felt and a little hot glue. I added a couple of pieces of twine around the ends to make it easy to hang, and that was it. I absolutely love this. Let me know in the comments. What do you think? I found this large candle at my local Dollarama for $5, and I knew I could easily turn it into high-end Christmas decor. I removed the leopard print, printed a decal on my Cricut, and used transfer tape to apply it. This is such a great oversized candle. I love how it turned out, and it costs much less than if I bought it in a store. Cute, right? And no one will guess how easy and inexpensive it was to make. Next up is a DIY that could not be easier. Grab a frame from your local Dollarama or Dollar Tree. Then find a pretty Christmas card or gift bag. Pop the picture in the frame and you have custom Christmas artwork for under $5. This little vintage snowman is really sweet. Dried fruit makes delightful rustic decor, and it's really inexpensive. Thinly slice oranges, pat them dry, place on parchment paper, and bake at your oven's lowest temperature for approximately 5 hours, turning every 30 minutes. You can use them as ornaments or embellishments, and they smell great too. You can also just shop for inexpensive decor to add to your DIY items. I found this Grinch tablecloth at my local Dollarama, and I think it's so much fun. I also found this beautiful tea light holder at my local Dollarama, and it looks like a hand-painted piece from a high-end store. I hope you liked all these Christmas decor ideas for $5 or less. If you enjoyed watching, please give this video a thumbs up. It really helps my channel. And if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell to be notified when I post something new. Talk to you next time. Bye.